All right, Coach Giovanni Cadna, what was your thought about that game? 3 points in the bag, first game out. Your team was a 4-0 victory, right? Yeah, good game good performance from your team. What's your overall thoughts about the game?
My assessment of the game was a very good one. We were at home, so we were very much confident that we wanted all 3 points. A good start from Vauxhall for the first 45 minutes. Coaching staff did a very good job at halftime, trying to motivate the players, get them to move the ball better, get speed and mobility at the top of the pitch, and it paid off in the second half with 4 goals.
All right, so first half you lock at 0-0. What was the changes that you guys made in the second half, where the team come out looking firing like that?
We made two offensive changes. We brought on a player named Rasai Wanis who just scored the penalty, also brought on Roll. As I said, we needed speed and mobility at the top end of the pitch, because Vauxhall was playing a low block in the defensive area. We're not getting the movements at the top end of the pitch. Both players came on, a lot of running off the ball, running behind, and it paid dividends with 4 goals.
All right, well done, Coach, and congratulations on the first win.
All right, thank you so much.